In this video, we are going to be points. Okay, so these are our 3 points here. So the first step is we're going to label these points A, B, C. Now we are going to join these points together using the line tool and on the construction layer. Now we are going to bisect line AB, and then we're going to bisect line AC. So let's go using the arc tool, center, start, end. I'll use about 70 using A as center and 70 as the radius. I'm going to describe the first arc. Using B as center and 70 as radius. We're going to describe the second arc. We're going to draw the bisector. Now we are going to bisect line AC using the arc tool, center, start, end, using A as center, and let's say we use 50 as the radius. I'll describe first arc. So in this. Now using C as center and 50 as radius. I'll describe another arc, and now we're going to draw the bisector. Need to lengthen this. Now we have where these two bisectors intersect. That is the center of our circle. So using the circle tool, center radius, using this point as the center and any point A, B, or C, this is our circle. So we just completed the construction of our circle, passing through 3 given points.